Welcome back to Quizzical Minds. Which country is the largest producer of cocoa in the world? A. Ghana. B. Ivory Coast. C. Nigeria. D. Ecuador. Answer: B. Ivory Coast.
Which is the deepest lake in the world? A. Lake Tanganyika. B. Lake Baikal. C. Caspian Sea. D. Crater Lake. Answer: B. Lake Baikal. Which country is known as the land of the midnight sun? A. Norway. B. Sweden. C. Finland. D. Iceland. Answer: A. Norway. Which is the largest delta in the world? A. Amazon Delta. B. Ganges Brahmaputra Delta. C. Mississippi Delta. D. Nile Delta. Answer: B. Ganges Brahmaputra Delta. Which country is the largest producer of diamonds in the world? A. South Africa. B. Russia. C. Botswana. D. Australia. Answer: B. Russia. Which is the largest desert in Asia? A. Thar Desert. B. Gobi Desert. C. Arabian Desert. D. Karakum Desert. Answer: B. Gobi Desert. Which country is known as the land of the white elephant? A. Thailand. B. Cambodia. C. Laos. D. Myanmar. Answer: A. Thailand. Which is the largest coral reef system in the world? A. Great Barrier Reef. B. Balize Barrier Reef. C. Red Sea Coral Reef. D. Andros Barrier Reef. Answer: A. Great Barrier Reef. Which country is the largest producer of olive oil in the world? A. Italy. B. Spain. C. Greece. D. Turkey. Answer: B. Spain. Which is the largest peninsula in the world? A. Arabian Peninsula. B. Indian Peninsula. C. Scandinavian Peninsula. D. Iberian Peninsula. Answer: A. Arabian Peninsula. Which country is known as the land of the long white cloud? A. Australia. B. New Zealand. C. Fiji. D. Papua New Guinea. Answer: B. New Zealand. Which is the largest gulf in the world? A. Gulf of Mexico. B. Persian Gulf. C. Gulf of Guinea. D. Gulf of Alaska. Answer: A. Gulf of Mexico. Which country is the largest producer of natural gas in the world? A. Russia. B. United States. C. Iran. D. Qatar. Answer B. United States. Which is the largest waterfall in the world by volume? A. Niagara Falls. B. Victoria Falls. C. Angel Falls. D. Iguazu Falls. Answer D. Iguazu Falls. Which country is known as the Land of the Thunder Dragon? A. Nepal. B. Bhutan. C. Tibet. D. Mongolia. Answer B. Bhutan. Which is the largest archipelago in the world? A. Japan. B. Philippines. C. Indonesia. D. Maldives. Answer C. Indonesia. Which country is the largest producer of bananas in the world? A. Ecuador. B. India. C. Philippines. D. Brazil. Answer B. India. Which is the largest saltwater lake in the world? A. Caspian Sea. B. Aral Sea. C. Dead Sea. D. Great Salt Lake. Answer A. Caspian Sea.
Which country is known as the Land of the Golden Pagoda? A. Thailand. B. Myanmar. C. Cambodia. D. Laos. Answer B. Myanmar. Which is the largest river island in the world? A. Majuli Island. B. Banana Island. C. Marajo Island. D. Chongming Island. Answer A. Majuli Island.
Which is the largest freshwater lake in the world by surface area? A. Lake Superior. B. Lake Victoria. C. Lake Huron. D. Lake Michigan. Answer A. Lake Superior. Which country is known as the Land of the Midnight Sun? A. Norway. B. Sweden. C. Finland. D. Iceland. Answer A. Norway. Which country is the largest producer of silver in the world? A. Mexico. B. Peru. C. China. D. Australia. Answer A. Mexico. Which country is the largest producer of wheat in the world? A. China. B. India. C. Russia. D. United States. Answer A. China. Which is the largest desert in Africa? A. Sahara Desert. B. Kalahari Desert. C. Namib Desert. D. Libyan Desert. Answer A. Sahara Desert.